hairline is a misnomer. It is actually a hairline zone. I'll be talking about now a strange topic called hairline.
Is hairline a line? No, it is not a line. It is a zone. It has got a width around 1.5 to 2 centimeter, runs from the front and goes toward the sides and goes over the temples. The hairline zone contains 6 to 10 layers of single follicular units on the front. And these follicular units are very irregularly placed and they have got a lot of sentinel hair around them. And if you look at them, they are not very symmetrical. They are little bit asymmetrical, the arrangement left and right side within symmetry.
The components of hairline zone are the anterior most peak, which is usually towards the center. Then we have two frontotemporal angles on both the sides, which may be acute or flatter. And in between we have multiple lateral mounds. This central peak should be around 8 to 10 centimeters above the glabella. In some people, there is a central cowlick also, where the hair are in a whorled pattern. It is more commonly found in women than men.
Now coming to the quality of the hair on the hairline zone. These hair are thin, they are slow growing, are less colored or less pigmented, and these kind of hair are usually available at the nape of the neck. Sometimes when we don't find those kind of hair, then we search them around the ear, either on the top of the ear or on the front or on the back. And these hair have also got one kind of curve, that is curvature, which falls upon the skin. And this curl is very important when you go on the temple area. And if the curl is not perfect, then the hair could grow upside down. It will be very catastrophic. In our practice, 400 to 600 single follicular units are used to create a softer hairline. Sometimes you don't find this huge number of 600 single follicular units in the extraction FUE. What we do, we use microscopes. Up to 10x magnification is required to dissect the doubles or triples into singles. If you don't have that kind of magnification, then we might miss out the telogens which are hiding inside the double and triple follicles, and later on they will show up in the hairline as bunches. Yet another very interesting point in hairline zone is those hair which are present in the hairline zone, those 6 to 10 layers of single follicular units, they are peculiarly placed. The thinnest, lightest and slowest growing hair are placed anteriorly, that is on the front. And once you go deeper inside the hairline zone, then both the thickness, the growth rate and color, everything increases. And that is very important to know. In our practice, the hairline zone reconstruction is the main point. If the hairline zone is perfect, then you can hide a lot of things behind that. And it is very crucial that the zone is also very good on the sides, that the temples. And as Dr. Adhika said, hairline zone is the gateway to the face. With each passing procedure, we are improving in creating a natural hairline zone.